Milan is an Italian city, full of creativity, full of energy. But if you enter Villa Necchi, you calm down.
You can hear the water of the pool, you can hear the birds, and it's like a sanctuary. Your heart is open, your soul is open. You can experience the new Gaggenau product in a very subtle, relaxed way.
Presence is a space which takes references from Italian modernism and the classical antique, alongside with contemporary approaches of light and perception. A spatial language which is ideal to integrate our products in a seamless way. We define ourselves by offering professional-grade appliances for culinary experiences. And for 2026, our culinary partner is Tohru Nakamura.
This dining experience is not only about food. It was created by many people to let you feel presence.
Presence. Grounded, deliberate, and precise.